In this video, we'll show you how to set up multiple fields and engrave them together in one single run. These are the 4 fields we'll engrave. We've made it easier by drawing boxes around them. Each box needs to overlap with each other so they will merge and engrave as one. First step, we will define the fields. To do this, we will need to mark the top left and the bottom right corners. Using the arrow buttons on the panel, we'll move the red dot to the first corner and press accept. The red dot will now start to blink. Next, move the red dot to the bottom corner and click accept. The red dot will stop blinking, indicating that the fields are set. Now, we will repeat this process for the other 3 fields, making sure that the fields are overlapped with each other like the boxes we have drawn in this example. This setup means the sandblasting head will only travel across the fields that we set up and ignore the blank areas to save a lot of time. When we're setting the second field, we are making sure it is going over the first field. And we will repeat this process for all 4 fields. Before we start the job, we will focus the head to the surface of the engraving area. Using the up and down buttons on the console, start moving the head towards the top of the material. When the brush touches the surface, it will be the right height for engraving, and this will create enough suction for oxide not to get out, leaving us a clean work environment. Now, it's time to run the job. The engraving area is 420 mm by 130 mm and only took 9 minutes to complete. After running 6 passes, we have engraved approximately 1.6 mm depth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like and comment below for more educational videos.